Freaknik.
Work it, girl. Work it, girl. Work it, girl. Yo, look at that black girl. Queen.
Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Susie. So y'all, if you're new, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. If you're returning, what's good, what's poppin', poo, y'all already know what to do. So y'all know we like to get right into the video. So y'all, I am cutting down the size of the jersey. Usually I'll use my seam stripper to, you know, take out the threads, but the thread was like super tight for some reason. So right here I already used my template for the skirt and I am cutting it out. I know it looks super long, but I didn't take measurements for the length. I totally forgot. So yeah, we is making like a two-piece out of this jersey. So she sent me the little idea that she wanted. So y'all, up here y'all already know I have to work my magic. I tried to do this like a little smart way so I didn't have to do too much work. So y'all, I am basically lining this up at the top so I can get it for the waist, because as you can see the picture, it had waist. But right here I am just sewing down the sides of the skirts and attaching, you know, everything together. And then y'all, on the extra little spots, I went ahead and added some mesh in, and oh my god, it turned out super dope. Like, I did not, like, I was scared because it was something different, but it turned out super freaking pretty, like, and she snapped. So this is what it's looking like, nice and neat, you know. So y'all, we're gonna go ahead and hem it up. And y'all, I love this technique that I'm using with the hemming because it gives it a more cleaner look. Oh my god. So right here I'm just basically cutting out the bra part. And y'all, we're gonna need 4 pieces total. I'm using 2 from this black part, and then we're gonna use 2 from the jersey part. I'm doing this because y'all know the holes from the jersey, and I wanted to give her a little extra coverage for the boob. So yeah. Oh my god, I love this rotary cutter so bad, y'all. Like, it speeds up everything. Like, why wasn't I been using this? Like, why nobody never told me about these? Like, I always used to see them, but I never used to grab. So I grabbed one and like, oh my god. With upcycling, it's so fun because you got to get creative. So I definitely got creative on this part, and I added some of the little, I don't even know what that's called. I added it to the bottom of the bra. So I definitely used the rotary cutter for this as well because I was not able to get these off. I think they was iron on, but yeah. So this is the bra. We went ahead and sewed that together, and I am basically going to attach this. I don't know what it's called. The little, I don't know. But I'm attached that, and I cut out the little NBA logo, and I am sewing that down. I also glued it down as well, but y'all know I like to be extra secure. So yeah, this is what it's looking like, and we're gonna add the numbers. I wanted to use the smaller numbers because the big numbers on here is just, people be doing that, and that's just too much for me. Okay, so like I said, I like to be extra secure. So we glued what was able to be glued down, and then I went ahead and sewed everything else down. If y'all still here, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, join the fam, because yeah. So I'm attaching the straps, and I thought it was so cute because I left like some of the little red and black little, like, I still don't know what it's called to the end of it, but y'all see it. Y'all see it. This is super cute though. Okay, so now y'all see it at the end of the strap. Super cute. Super cute. Those little things, right? Love it. I showed y'all 1,000 times how to do straps, so if y'all haven't seen how I did those, y'all gonna have to check it out in another video. But this is what it's looking like. Everything came together so well. And y'all, I did take off the little label things and put them on here because they were still on the other side. But yeah, let me know what y'all think. But this is the final and finishing look. Go ahead and comment down below. Subscribe to my channel. Follow me on TikTok and all that good stuff. And I love you guys oh so much. And I'm out. Peace.